Well, 1 minute.
1 minute.
Hello. No, now listen and listen well. Yes. The sun is down and I know you are going home. I want to be very quick. One, I want to congratulate the judiciary. Congratulations. Two, I want to tell you, and I said it here, when the government is falling, yes. Hello, when the government is falling, you are part of the government. You are part of the government. Why so? Your representatives.
4 minutes is a week. 4 minutes up.
When the government is falling, you are part of the government. Why am I saying so? You have a representative either in the judiciary, executive, or the legislature, upper house or lower house. So nobody should come here and tell us that you are more powerful than the other. There is nothing like Murima is much higher than the Luo land. Nothing like that. There is nothing that Mount Elgon is higher than the Turkana Takwel. It's not there. If you check this government, everybody is part of it.
I'm the standing speaker. Endelea.
You get? So you don't have to come here and tell us Murima is higher than
Are we having a short break or something? No, okay, you are protected.
Lastly,
I
want to tell you, we always say here that the leaders, the ones we are electing, we are the problems. Time you are given after every 5 years for the economy.
Order. I'm the speaker.
Correct. For the purposes of development economically in this country,
Order, I'm the speaker.
we must take part in political space. I want to request the youth, Wamama, and even Wazes, if your MP, your governor, your president, your deputy president, your senators and women reps are not doing what you think is not wise, then wait for 5 years, go and do the right thing, make change democratically, than coming here and saying the other side is higher than the other because of 1, 2, 3. Nonsense. Otherwise, I wish you well. Let's meet.